Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of whimsical home decor ideas to elevate your space. So watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor and craft ideas videos on daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also don't forget to like and share this video as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Creating a whimsical home decor environment is an engaging way to express personality while transforming living spaces into imaginative sanctuaries. Whimsical decor thrives on playful creativity, fostering curiosity and inviting exploration. It combines unexpected elements, vibrant colors, unique patterns and a touch of nostalgia. This style can transcend traditional boundaries, encouraging the mixing of aesthetics that reflect the vibrancy of life itself. As you embark on the journey to elevate your space, consider innovative and delightful ideas that can turn ordinary areas into extraordinary reflections of your individuality. First, consider the impact of wall art on your living spaces. Traditional framed art is lovely, but wandering into whimsical territory opens up incredible possibilities. For instance, creating a mural or a statement wall can completely change the character of a room. Imagine a hand-painted tree climbing up your living room wall, its branches extending into whimsical shapes filled with playful creatures, flowers, and leaves. This not only fills the space with energy but also serves as a conversation starter. If painting isn't your forte, think about incorporating removable wall decals that bring nature indoors. These lightweight decorations can easily be applied and removed, making them ideal for renters or those who prefer a temporary change. Choose designs that resonate with you, perhaps butterflies dancing on the walls or stars twinkling across the ceiling. These accents can imbue rooms with a sense of storytelling and wonder. Moreover, consider creating a gallery wall that tells your unique story. Instead of boring frames, mix photographs, children's artwork, mirrors, and eclectic thrift finds to create a curated collection. The charming part of a gallery wall lies in the intentional randomness. Combine geometric frames in vivid colors with antique ones. Highlight the collection with whimsical quotes or wooden sculptures that can peek out between the frames, giving the wall an animated quality that reflects your personality and experiences. For added whimsy, integrate fabric into your decor through vibrant textiles. Throw pillows and blankets are easy to switch out seasonally or whenever the mood strikes. Opt for bold patterns like oversized florals, cheeky animal prints, or geometric shapes to bring zest into the space. Layering different textures can also create depth. Consider mixing knit throws with soft velvet pillows, or burlap accents for that rustic touch. This approach not only raises the cozy factor but also gives each room a delightful character that beckons family and friends to relax. Don't overlook the magic of lighting when aiming for whimsical decor. Unique light fixtures can become eye-catching statements. Look for whimsical pendants shaped like animals or capturing the essence of nature, such as blossoms or branches. Fairy lights hanging above a dining area can transform an everyday setting into a magical dining experience, creating an inviting ambience. Additionally, think about using colored bulbs or adding shades covered in artful patterns to create fun shadows that dance on walls when the lights are turned on. Furniture plays a crucial role in establishing whimsy throughout your home. Consider painting old wooden furniture in bright, unconventional colors. A headboard in turquoise, a coffee table in sunny yellow, or a side cabinet in mint green can reinvigorate any space. Stenciling playful designs or patterns on the surfaces can further elevate ordinary furnishings, making them focal points rather than mere functional pieces. This youthful approach invites playful vibes into your sanctuary. If painting doesn't resonate with your aesthetic, consider mixing and matching patterns in your upholstery. Opt for dining chairs covered in different yet complementary fabrics, combining florals, stripes, and polka dots. This playful approach provides a cheerful atmosphere while keeping the space visually stimulating. The diversity adds layers and intrigue, encouraging creativity and spontaneity. Another fun idea is to create reading nooks that spark imagination. Use quirky chairs or hammocks adorned with colorful cushions placed by a window or in a cozy corner. This creates an inviting escape for peaceful reading or daydreaming. Surround it with whimsical elements, such as a tree-shaped bookshelf or wall-mounted book displays that resemble a rainbow. By crafting comfortable spaces infused with imaginative accents, you can inspire creativity and relaxation. In addition, embrace the art of upcycling in your whimsical decor journey. Transforming old items into new treasures can add a sense of history and uniqueness to your home. For instance, consider reimagining vintage suitcases as side tables or stacking them for charming decor. Old wooden crates can be suspended in midair to serve as floating shelves or repurposed as planters for vibrant indoor gardens. The beauty of upcycling lies in the stories each piece holds, providing character and charm that new items simply cannot replicate. Indoor plants deliver a whimsical essence while promoting wellness. Consider using unusual planters, basket-shaped pots, animal figurines, or even toys to nurture a collection of greenery. Filling your space with various plants at different heights can create an enchanted forest feel. Hanging plants in imaginative wall-mounted planters or cherubic macrame hangers further adds to the atmosphere, celebrating the vitality of nature. For those who enjoy crafts, hands-on projects can help establish whimsy throughout the home. DIY projects, like creating your own art or decor items, offer the chance to infuse your personal flair into your space. For example, consider making colorful wall hangings with fabrics and yarn, or designing playful cork boards shaped like animals where you can pin notes and memories. Additionally, utilizing colorful ceramic vases or quirky figurines to style your shelves or coffee tables can inject playful elements into your spaces. Look for unique and unusual shapes, perhaps a giraffe vase or a jellyfish sculpture that catches the eye. These fun accents can either be arranged in thoughtful clusters or spread throughout your home for delightful surprises. Accessorizing your space can also be done in a whimsical way. Playful tableware, mismatched plates, silly mugs, or colorful glassware can liven up your dining experience. Incorporating playful kitchen tools like animal-shaped measuring cups or quirky utensils reflects a light-hearted spirit in daily routines. Such touches invite enjoyment and laughter into everyday life, enhancing the appeal of your kitchen and dining areas. When it comes to the bedroom, think about creating a playful atmosphere through bedding and artwork. Choose vibrant bedspreads covered in imaginative patterns or whimsical themes that evoke fond memories or dreams. Think starry nights, dream catchers, or playful animals. Complement these textiles with wall decals of clouds or moons to add layers of whimsy. Finally, infuse a sense of nostalgia into your home by incorporating vintage pieces. Found items from thrift stores, flea markets, or family attics can become treasured focal points. A vintage typewriter on a shelf or a rotary phone on a table adds layers of storytelling and encourages conversations over cups of coffee. The interplay between modern and vintage can create a bridge to the past, inviting wonder and curiosity. In conclusion, whimsical home decor ideas are not just about filling spaces, they're about creating environments that resonate and inspire. By embracing creative elements, unexpected combinations, and a sense of playfulness, you can elevate your space into a sanctuary that reflects your unique personality. From the charm of hand-painted art and light fixtures to the warmth of eclectic textiles and greenery, each element contributes to an inviting atmosphere. Infusing character into your decor encourages joy and creativity in your everyday life. As you embrace whimsy, you invite happiness into your home, transforming it into a vibrant expression of who you are. The journey into whimsical decor ensures that your home is not just a place to live, but an extension of your dream world waiting to be explored. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.